Now, nearly the final part here. On the site plan here, here's our boundary. So I'm going to make this a subregion to reflect both the boundary and the fact that this is a different material. So under site and massing, here's my subregion here. And again, I get the full set of drawing tools, which is great. I'm going to pick lines. So let me pick the lines. You're not going to let me pick the lines, are you? Yep, there you go. Okay, good. Now, it's not really handy to be able to do that. Zoom out here a little bit here. Go across. And let's get in here now. Make sure I pick the right lines here. And just at the end, I'm going to draw in the last one. The end point here. Like so. And I'm going to fillet those last two. Okay, now once it's done, I'm pretty sure that's going to work, so I can hit the green check mark. But before I do that, I'm actually going to go over and put a material onto this. And again, I could use concrete cast in situ. There are some other site materials here. There's the tar macadam. So depending on what material you're going to use, I'll use a macadam here. Oh, that's a terrible color. So I'll go back into my grays, I think, for that, and make that again the surface pattern. Yeah, solid fill, but I'm going to make that a kind of a lightish gray just for the moment, and let's see how it looks. Okay, and let's finish. Now that's how we're kind of looking there. You can change the colors if you like. This particular building has a floor, a piece of solid flooring gone in there, and that's interesting. And one of the things that you need to understand about subregions, as you can see them here, is that there's no depth to them. They're only a visual representation. So the difference between the two grays here is that this floor here is a solid piece of measurable concrete, whereas this grey piece here is literally just a sub-region and has no specification or quantities attached to it really. But that's how that works. The final kind of thing that you start maybe to do here for your renderings and things like that is start to pop in some entourage or some trees or bits and pieces like that. But I'm going to explain to you how and why you might drop in some trees and things like that specifically for the rendering rather than as a reflection of what's happening on the site. And I'll explain what I mean when I go to do my first rendering here.